everyone, we are back again with Cracker's tricks. In the previous video you could see some simple things that Cracker has learned in the first 4 months that he has been with us. Those were pretty easy tricks that he had to perform, climbing and hanging, stuff like that. But now he has learned some more things about handling objects, handling things. So that's a bit more hard. So here's Cracker in his outdoor aviary. We got him in. Come on, Crackie. Come on, buddy. Whoop. Yeah, so let's say hi to everyone. That's nice. Okay, so let's start with the ball. In the last movie we left off with Cracker trying to throw the ball. And this time I'll try to get and catch the ball. Okay, come on, Crackie. See the ball? Come on. Come on, get the ball. Get the ball. Yeah, come on, get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Come on, get the ball. Fetch it. Fetch the ball. Yeah? Come on, fetch. Fetch, fetch, fetch. Good kid. Okay. Get the ball one more time. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Come on, Craig. Get the ball. Run, 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 run. Yeah, that's it. Fetch. 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 Okay. Good job, birdie. So this is how Cracker can get the ball. And now I'll show you something else. We have a couple of bottle caps. Come on, Crackie. Go. Get the caps. Fetch. Fetch. Come on, fetch. Good job. So he can go for the ball, for the cap, and he can fetch it. Can you fetch another one? Yeah? Good job. And there's something else he can do. He can even fetch it flying. So we'll try to get him fly. Come on, Crackie, fetch. Crackie, come here. Come here. Come here. So now he's just dropping them. Come on. We have to make him work a lot of times before he really does what we're wishing him to do. Come on, fetch. 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 Yes, good job. Fetch, fetch, fetch. Good job. Okay. Okay, so that was Cracker. Thanks for watching again. See you soon.